I have a lot of patients ask me about apple cider vinegar and how that can help them. Occasionally, someone is really interested in this as a weight loss strategy. I have read some of the anecdotal evidence about apple cider vinegar for weight loss, and I've never really seen in a patient or in a person a really effective example of how that worked for them. I do recommend apple cider vinegar for general digestion if you're just looking for some natural benefits. And I do recommend apple cider vinegar for people who are having bad indigestion, especially after meals or when they're sleeping. There's some benefit to the vinegar, the acid in it. There's some probiotic element to it. Apple cider vinegar has many benefits for our digestion, but it doesn't have a mechanism that I'm aware of that really helps with weight loss or aids that. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this really helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to this page because there's a ton more videos out there.